Hi everybody, we're back again, Matt and Melissa. What are you giggling at? So we're gonna run through real quick how to use Jamboard. Jamboard is a lot of fun. It's so quick and easy to use. Um, it's pretty much just a collaborative whiteboard where we can go ahead and put some stuff up there. So this is the icon for it. It's Jamboard. I'm gonna create a new jam. This is the one. Is that what you're laughing at?
Yeah.
Okay, we took a test wrong. Okay, so I'm going to create a new jam. Okay, and I'm going to call it Matt and Melissa. Okay, okay, and I'm going to share this. Okay, it's useful if you have a classroom full of kids. You can share it with everybody. I'm going to share it with my wife. I'm going to send. So, Melissa, she does not have the Jamboard app installed. So it's going to send a note to her email saying that she's joining the Jamboard and she is joining and waiting. Oh, she's here. She's here. Hi. So a couple quick things up here in the corner. You can add a text box if you want, right? Super serious about it. Use punctuation. We can draw shapes. For some reason, as a math teacher, I find it super frustrating that you can't just add an arrow or a straight line, but you can add shapes. We can add post-it notes. So a lot of times I'll create a topic for my kids to talk about. Last week we were talking about barriers that keep people apart. So they were giving me pretty simple answers and some more complex answers about things like that. You can change the post-it note colors. One of the things you can do is you can add pictures. So you can add images and you can either take them from your computer, you can take them from your Google Drive, or you can do an image search. You can take them off the camera. So let's 1, 2, she can take a picture and put it there. But I think I'm going to do an image search. I'm going to put honey bee, right? And I'm going to find a honey bee, and I'll find yes. This is the guy right here. Okay. Oh, is my thing in the way? Oh, the little camera thing's in the way. How do I get rid of the little camera thing? Like this. Okay. And I'm back. Oh my god. It doesn't look very good for the bee. But again, you can pick them up, you can move them around. We talked about just that, is that your bullseye?
Yeah.
Watching too much Olympics. We did talk about like that digital citizenship. So like we definitely don't want to erase other people's things. So just watch your students if you have them on here. Yep. She's saying that towards the arrow or the honey. I hope the honey. But anyway, pretty cool tool. Again, the erase button obviously erases. I also find this very useful. I've had a couple students with limited mobility where if you have like a writing pad like this, I know I showed this on a couple other videos, that you turn it on. And now if I'm on here, they can, take the pen and then they can switch to pen and then they can write things. That's all we're going to say is hello. Okay, but I found it very useful for writing out answers to problems, or if I post a bunch of questions on here, if I go through the slides, I can add slides. I think you can do up to 20, so if I add a new slide over here. Cool thing as a teacher too is I can see who's where, so right now I'm on the second slide, right? I'm on the second slide, but I can still see that Melissa is over here on the first slide, putting in archers and targets and stuff. Are you trying to make bullseye? There you go. Okay. And you can see it's fun. It's fun. Yeah, it's fun and it's simple. And I think that's part of what I'm starting to like so much about a lot of these G Suite things is that they're not trying to be too many things at once. Like this is just a fun place where we can put a whole bunch of pictures and things like that. But again, it's a good place to have a classroom discussion. I would just keep an eye on that digital citizen kind of stuff, just making sure your kids aren't going around and deleting all the other student stuff. You have anything you're adding? You look busy at work. Mm-hmm. You looked up fun. School fun. Okay, and school fun. Bye, everybody.